So my wife's been using this mixer for about a week. I wanted to show you guys, it does come with a bread hook, 6.5 quarts, your normal mixing, and then your whipping attachment, right? So that's what we like best about it, is this pulse function, right? So P, you just turn backwards to U. And it pulses, right? Near an audible click, you stop it, boom, goes back, go. Or it has 1 through 6 setting. A very slow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Also, what she says she likes is the audible click, right? It does have, which I find, you know, when I'm baking, cooking, your hands are dirty, all you have to do when you're done is hit that and it raises automatically. And then once it raises, it's locked in there, which is really nice. So you'd have to hit the button and turn it down. And then, just to make sure everything's secure, it does have suction cups, which are awesome. And it keeps everything safe. If it was mixing a heavy load, and the thing would be moving, the head would be moving, it would stay connected to the countertop. We really like it. Very, very happy with the unit. My wife put it to some work, trust me. So again, your whip, your mix, your bread mixer. So